Hello and welcome. You're watching WION World is One. My name is Hemkaur Saroya and here's a look at all the top stories that we're tracking for you at this hour. Five-year-old boy rescued from a borewell in Rajasthan's Dausa in India after a grueling 55-hour operation, declared dead after being rushed to a hospital in unconscious state. A 12-year-old Israeli boy killed, several others injured in a shooting attack on a bus in West Bank. Israeli military says the terrorists opened fire at a Jerusalem-bound bus in Al Khader Junction area. A Chinese citizen arrested for flying a drone over Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. He is alleged to have recorded images of the military facility, according to the U.S. Justice Department. Donald Trump invites Chinese President Xi Jinping to attend his inauguration next month. CBS reports citing sources. Invitation was sent shortly after the election. Not clear whether Xi Jinping has accepted the invitation. Taiwan says it detected 16 Chinese warships in waters around the island as Beijing intensifies military pressure on Taipei. Defense Ministry says 34 Chinese aircraft were also spotted in the 24 hours. South Korean President Yoon calls his political opponents anti-state forces, blaming them for pushing country into crisis, vows to fight until last minute as he defends failed martial law bid in a televised address. Seven terrorists killed in two separate operations in Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. One soldier also killed in the operations conducted on the basis of intelligence input in North Waziristan district. Russia vows retribution against Ukraine, accusing Kyiv of firing Western-supplied missiles on military airfield in its Rostov region. A U.S. official says Moscow might soon target Ukraine with Oreshnik missiles. Football fans in Riyadh were elated after Saudi Arabia was confirmed as the host of the 2034 FIFA World Cup. The Gulf Kingdom will become the second nation from the Middle East to host the quadrennial tournament after Qatar. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.